Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how Euro USD, USD CAD, USD CHF has moved and how in the month of August and how they can move in the month of September. So what you can see in the Euro USD that the price of Euro USD was moving is very volatile, okay, and is very volatile. See, if we look at the chart, it was continuously down till 2020 and from there it has made a sharp rise, okay, and made a M pattern if you look at from 2020. Okay, now what we can see that the price is trying to go down, okay, because a M pattern is formed. But suppose now if the price stays above a level of 1.1903, then chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 1.20323. And suppose if the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1.2221150. Suppose if the price stays more above this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1.22637. And suppose if the price stays above this level, and these levels are already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can go to a level of more further high and can touch a level of 1.24, and then it can go to a level of 1.25 and then can further reach upside, because we have seen that the trend is now trying to move upside. Okay, so what we have to do is that suppose if the price stays above a level of 1.1924, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 1.20075, and from there it can touch a level of 1.21 and then it can go further upside. Okay. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding forex position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this forex technical is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, and you can book an appointment also. Okay. And can touch a level of 1.23 also and can move further high, because since 2020 it has not moved above this level. Suppose if the price goes below a level of 1.17, then chances will be very high that it can go to a level of 1.16, and these levels are already here tested, so chances are high that it can go to a level of 1.15918, and from there it can touch a level of 1.14239, and then it can go to a level of 1.11474. so this is the range. If this range breaks, this is a strong support of 1.164. if this range breaks, then we can see it can go to a level of 1.13 also, and from there it can come to a level of 1.157, and then from there we can see a more downside in the price of Euro USD. But if it stays above a level of 1.20, then it can go to a level of 1.22. If we talk about Euro USD CHF, sorry, if we talk about Euro, one second, if we talk about USD CAD, see, in Euro USD CAD we have seen that it has made a sharp low, okay, in the month of 7 June, and after making this particular low, we have the price it has moved upside, and now it is trading in this particular zone, and the zone high is around 1.29 and a low of around 1.24800. so suppose if the price goes below this level, then chances are high it can touch a level of 1.24375, and from there it can go to a level of 1.22373, and it can touch a level of 1.21372, and if it goes more below this level, it can go to a level of 1.20172. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see more it can go further low. But suppose if the price stays and goes above a level of 1.26378, it can touch a level of 1.26578, and from there we can see a level of 1.28380 also. Suppose if the price stays above this level, then we can see yes, the trend will change on an upside, okay, and then it can touch a level 1.29581, and then it can go further high to a level of 1.380, and in this particular range the USD CAD will form, and then if it goes above this level, then we can see further upside. But suppose if it goes again below a level of 1.29, then it can go to and come into this particular range again. Okay, suppose if we talk about, now we'll talk about USD JPY. Okay, so what we can see from 2019 that it is a volatile. The USD JPY is very volatile. Okay, and made a low of around 102 at LN on 18th of January 21, and after that it is making a particular rise. If we make a trend line, we can see there has been a pattern is forming in USD JPY. Suppose if the price goes below a level of 109, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 108.732. Suppose if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can touch a level 108.326, and suppose if it goes more below this level, then it can touch a level of 107.623. Okay, now suppose if the price stays above this level, okay, and a level of 110.475, now it is trading at around 109.732. Okay, suppose if the price stays above this level, then it can touch a level of 110.300, and from there we can see a level of 110.813. okay, because a pattern is forming. So you have to remember that if the price goes above a level of 110.327, keep in mind, then we can see a sharp rise in the price of USD JPY. It can touch a level of 110.840, and from there we can see a level of 111.273, and then we can see a level of 112.273 very soon. Okay, because a pattern is forming, and the pattern is there will be a breakout, and it is moving since August, June. If you look at this, the range is very important, and range is coming a narrow one. Okay, so there can be a sharp rise in the USD JPY. Okay, if it breaks upside, if it goes above a level of 110.246, then it can go to a level of then it can go to a level 110.789, and can go to a level of 110.988. Suppose if the price goes downside of 109.398, then it can go to a level of 109.057, and can go to a level of 108.773, and can go further low to a level of 108.319. okay, now if we talk about USD CHF, okay, if we talk about USD CHF, we have seen that the price of USD CHF has come down and made a pattern. If you look at this pattern, okay, and same pattern, a narrow pattern is forming in this particular range. Okay, we have seen a sharp fall in the price of USD CHF. okay, so now once this USD CHF made a low of around 0.87538, okay, and made a high of around 0.94830. okay, so once this price goes below a level of 0.90958, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 0.90153, and can go to a level of 0.89198. okay, and suppose if the price stays more below this level, then we can see a level of 0.87840. okay, now suppose if the price stays above this level 0.92014, then chances are high that it can go to a level of 0.92718 also, and it can go to a level of 0.93963, and from there it can touch a level of 0.94730, because we have seen a narrow pattern is forming in the same zone. So suppose if the price stays above 0.91813, then it can go to a level of 0.92768, or suppose if the price goes below this level, okay, a level of 0.90958, it can go to a level of 0.90203, or it can touch a level of 0.89298, and if it goes below a level of 0.90555, then it can go to a level of 0.8799 also, if it stays below a level of 0.89298. okay, so hope you like the video. okay, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you new to my channel, please subscribe it.